Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you how to find the carousels you've liked on Instagram while using the app on your PC after the latest update. If you've ever scrolled through your feed, tapped like on a few posts, and then struggled to find them later, this guide will make it quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once you have it open, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see the More icon, which looks like 3 dots stacked together. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking, a menu will slide out with different options available. From there, choose your activity. This is where Instagram stores all your interactions in one place, making it simple to track the posts you've engaged with. Inside your activity, you'll notice a section labeled Interactions. Click on it, and then select Likes. This is where Instagram gathers every post, including carousels, that you've liked in the past. You'll be able to scroll through and revisit the ones that caught your attention. Now here's a useful trick. If you don't want to go through an entire list, you can organize it. At the top right of the Likes page, you'll see the option called Sort and Filter. Click on it, and you'll get different choices for how you want to view your liked posts. If you want the most recent carousels to appear first, simply choose Newest to Oldest. This way, your latest likes will be right at the top, making them much easier to find without scrolling endlessly. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you'll always be able to return to any carousel you liked, whether it was yesterday or months ago. This update makes it far simpler to keep track of your interactions, especially if you use Instagram on PC often. So, the next time you hit like on a great carousel but don't remember who posted it, just follow these steps to revisit it whenever you want.